Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this sprouted mung bean vada with some cabbage. It's super delicious, so crunchy from outside and nice and soft from inside. Before I go ahead and start the recipe, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week. Here I have sprouted mung bean. I have drained the water completely. I have no water at all in here because we don't want any kind of moist when we make the vada. So I'm going to put that in the food processor. I have 2 cups of mung bean here, and I also have 1/4 cup of cilantro and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin. I'm adding chili flakes as needed. You can also use green chilies if you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and process it until it's coarsely processed. We don't want it to be smooth paste, and we don't want any kind of moist either. As you can see, it's not done nicely. It still has nice texture to it, and I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. Now to this we are going to add a couple ingredients. I have cabbage here. I've added a little bit of a salt so that it oozes out the moist. Now I've grated them finely. If you want to chop them, you can also chop them. Just make sure it's finely chopped. Now squeeze out excess water and add that to the mung bean. Now here I have 5 to 6 curry leaves finely chopped, 1 medium onion finely chopped. Go ahead and give it a quick mix to combine them well. Here I have 4 tablespoons of gram flour. If you want more or less, just adjust the consistency. Salt as needed. Go ahead and mix them. Now when you make a patty, you want to be able to hold the shape. That's when you know this is the right consistency. Now go ahead and give it a good shape. The shape whatever you want, flat, round, oval. Go ahead and add them in a preheated oil. The oil has to be hot so that it cooks through from inside and out. Now go ahead and fry them until it's nice and golden brown from outside, and drain them in a paper towel. Go ahead and do the second batch as the same way that you did the first batch, and maintain the oil temperature. As you can see, it's nicely cooked through. It's nice and soft from inside, and outside it's nice and crispy. This is easy and healthy way to prepare this vada recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.